Concept 4, using the triangle inequality theorem. So remember, this theorem states that if any two sides of a triangle don't add up to more than a third, the figure is not a triangle. Okay, we can see this pretty clearly. Here's a diagram. This side, my longest side, my hypotenuse, is 8. This side is, this leg is 5. This leg is 2. And you can see that they don't meet up. And if I bring this all the way down to the base, they don't touch each other. Okay? If they don't touch each other, it can't be a triangle. All right? Even if they did, even if I changed this to 3 and they touched each other just as soon as I went flat on this line, it's still not a triangle. It's a flat line. Okay? So 3 doesn't work. Okay? 3 also doesn't work. As soon as I hit anything more than 3, right? 3.1, 3.001, okay? That's lifting my side off just enough that I do form a triangle. You can see that little white space in there. It's just a very, very obtuse triangle. Okay? So, we use this theorem to figure out if from the side lengths we have a triangle or not. Okay? Now the theorem states that it's any two side lengths, but really all we have to be doing is we need to add the two shortest side lengths. Okay? If the two shorter side lengths are not larger than the largest side length, then it's not a triangle. If they are, it could be a triangle. Okay? So 12 plus 24 is 26, which is greater than 25. So this is a triangle. 3 plus 4 is less than 9. So this is not a triangle. Okay? 4 plus 4 is 8, which is greater than 4. So this is a triangle. And now you got to make sure that you're looking at them in the right order. This is the longest side. These are the smallest ones, so it should be 35 plus 22, which is 57. 57 is less than 61, so this cannot be a triangle.